Step into the 2008 Toyota Sienna XLE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include heated mirrors, power mirror, cruise control, CD changer, leather steering wheel, keyless entry, rear AC, and driver airbag. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.